And I feel very differently about Gaza than a lot of people. I think they should get a good, fresh, beautiful piece of land, and we get some people to put up the money to build it and make it nice and make it habitable.
Perdana Menteri Israel Benjamin Netanyahu mengunjungi Presiden Amerika Serikat Donald Trump di Gedung Putih pada Selasa 5 Februari 2025. Trump dan Netanyahu bersikeras membahas pemindahan warga Palestina dari Gaza ke beberapa negara tetangga. Menurut Trump, Gaza sudah hancur imbas menjadi lokasi pertempuran antara Israel dan Hamas. Atas hal itu, rencana relokasi warga Gaza ke negara tetangga disebut Trump sebagai jalan alternatif yang lebih baik. Sebelumnya, utusan Amerika Serikat untuk Timur Tengah yakni Steve Witkoff membela ide relokasi Trump. Pihaknya menyebut rencana rekonstruksi 5 tahun untuk Gaza seperti yang dijelaskan dalam tahap 3 secara fisik dinilai mustahil. Sebagai informasi, Trump mengumumkan rencana pemindahan warga Gaza ke negara tetangga, termasuk Mesir dan Yordania pada Januari 2025 lalu. Menurutnya, relokasi tersebut merupakan bagian dari upaya untuk membersihkan warga Gaza. Menurutnya, hal itu akan menciptakan awal yang baru dan lebih baik untuk para pengungsi. Kendati sempat ditolak, Trump tetap keras kepala hingga memaksa Mesir dan Yordania untuk menerima sebagian warga Gaza korban perang. Pasalnya, Trump menilai Amerika Serikat telah melakukan banyak hal untuk kedua negara tersebut.
Well, I'm here to listen. He's here to see me, and I'm here to listen. So there's not much of a message. At the right time, I'll give him my message.
Will you continue to press for this idea that Jordan and Egypt take Palestinians from Gaza?
Yeah, I would like to see Jordan. I'd like to see Egypt take some look. The Gaza thing has not worked. It's never worked. And I feel very differently about Gaza than a lot of people. I think they should get a good, fresh, beautiful piece of land, and we get some people to put up the money to build it and make it nice and make it habitable and enjoyable and make it a home.
They don't want to leave, though. Palestinians say they don't want to leave.
I don't know how they could want to stay. It's a demolition site. It's a pure demolition site. If we could find the right piece of land or numerous pieces of land and build them some really nice places with plenty of money in the area, that's for sure, I think that would be a lot better than going back to Gaza, which has had just decades and decades of death.
Where would those pieces of land be?
Well, they could be in Jordan, and they could be in Egypt, and they could be in other places. You could have more than two, more than one, but you could have more than two, and you'd have people living in a place that could be very beautiful and safe and nice. Gaza has been a disaster for decades.
Would the U.S. pay for that?
I don't think the UN would pay, but I think there's plenty of people that would in the area. They have a lot of money. They certainly have a lot of money. Some of the countries over there that'd like to see it. I know that Saudi Arabia wants to see peace. I can see.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.